Good morning, Emma. It's time to wake up for school.
Mom, I don't feel very well today.
Oh dear, what's wrong, sweetheart?
My head hurts, and I feel really tired.
Let me touch your forehead. You feel warm.
I couldn't sleep properly last night.
That explains why you look so weak. My sweetheart, you should rest at home today.
But Mom, I have a math test today.
I understand, but your health is more important than any test.
I studied so much for it. I don't want to miss it.
Don't worry. We'll talk to your teacher and explain everything.
Are you sure she will understand?
Of course. Teachers care about students' health too.
I feel really cold and tired.
Then you definitely need rest today.
Okay, Mom, I trust you.
Alex, can you come here for a moment?
Sure, what happened?
I think Emma is sick. She has a fever and looks very weak.
Oh no, that's not good.
She also didn't sleep well last night.
Then she shouldn't go to school today.
I agree, but she has a math test. She's really worried about it.
Her health comes first. Tests can always be taken later.
That's true. I'll call the school and inform them.
Good idea, the teacher will understand.
I hope so. Emma worked really hard for that test.
I'm sure the teacher will allow a makeup test.
Yes, I'll ask about that.
Meanwhile, she should rest and drink something warm.
I'll make some soup for her.
Mom, what if I miss the test and get low marks?
No, sweetheart. You won't lose marks because you are sick.
But what if the teacher doesn't allow it?
I'm talk to her and explain everything clearly.
I studied all week for this test.
I know, and I'm very proud of you.
I don't want my hard work to go to waste.
It won't. You will get another chance to show your effort.
Okay, I feel a little better now.
Good, now lie down and rest.
Can I stay on the couch?
Yes, I'll bring you a blanket and some warm soup.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, dear. Hello, this is Emma's mother speaking.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'm calling to inform you that Emma is sick today and won't be able to attend school.
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms does she have?
She has a fever and feels very weak.
That's understandable. She should stay home and rest.
Yes, that's what I decided.
I will mark her absent for today.
Thank you. She also has a math test today.
You can speak directly to her math teacher about that.
Yes, please connect me to her teacher.
Sure, please hold for a moment.
Hello, this is Emma's math teacher speaking.
Hello, I'm Emma's mother. I wanted to inform you that she is unwell today.
I'm sorry to hear that. I hope she recovers soon.
Thank you. She has a fever and is resting at home.
That's the right decision. Health always comes first.
She was very worried about missing the math test.
Please tell her not to worry at all.
I will. She'll be happy to hear that.
Let her rest and recover first.
Of course. Thank you again for your understanding.
You're welcome.
I spoke to the teacher.
What did she say?
She was very understanding. She told Emma can take the test later.
That's great news.
Yes, Emma will be relieved.
You should tell her right away.
I will. She was really worried.
Now she can focus on getting better.
Exactly.
Did the school mark her absence?
Yes, everything is taken care of.
Good job handling it.
Emma, I have good news for you.
What is it, Mom?
Your teacher said you can take the math test later.
Really? That's such a relief.
Yes, she told you not to worry at all.
I feel so much better now.
See? Everything worked out.
Thank you for calling the school.
Of course, that's what moms do.
I'll study again when I feel better.
That's a good plan.
I'm still a bit tired.
Then rest for now.
Okay, Mom.
Hey, Emma. How are you feeling now?
A little better, Dad, but still tired.
That's okay, you need rest.
She got permission to take the test later.
That's great news.
Yes, I'm really happy about that.
No more stress then.
Yes, I can relax now.
We'll take good care of you today.
Do you need anything?
Maybe some juice.
I'll bring it right away.
And I'll stay with you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Get well soon, sweetheart. Emma, how are you feeling now?
I feel much better, Mom. My fever is almost gone.
That's great to hear. Did you get enough rest?
Yes, I slept for a long time.
That's good. Rest really helps your body recover.
I also feel a little hungry now.
That's a good sign. I'll make something light for you.
Thank you, Mom.
Are you still worried about your math test?
Not anymore. I feel relaxed now.
That's the spirit. You can revise slowly tomorrow.
Yes, I'll start studying again when I feel completely fine.
No pressure, take your time.
I will, Dad.
We're proud of how responsible you are.
Thanks, Mom. I will do my best in the test.
That's all we expect.
I'm lucky to have you both.
And we're lucky to have you.
I think I'll sleep early tonight.
Good idea. A good night's sleep will help you recover faster.
Sweet dreams, Emma.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.